Can't decide, buy everything. What are we up to?
So we need to buy a cup first, and then we need to wash our hands, and then see that table over there? That's where you decorate it.
Yeah.
And you go to the other line, which is on the other side of the room, and you pick your toppings, and then they seal it.
I'm glad you can read the sign.
I'm not reading it. Well, I did read it before. It's all in my head now.
One. That one, that one, that one, and that one. Yeah, let's see you struggle.
Can you? Oh, you're recording on the one?
Let's see you struggle.
Yeah. Okay. Let's just try to. I do it?
Yeah, you need to get a string as well. String.
Ready?
String.
How do I put the string on, eh?
Any. What are you doing?
You can take the air out with a straw. I want to put it in the middle.
Not really. All the way in. All the way. All the way. There you go.
Is it two? Oh.
You know we're gonna have to deflate it later anyways. Put it on the plane.
Penny.
It says over there. They're copying me, copy that.
Oh. How did I do this?
What are you doing? You made a little purse.
I did it! I love it!
So they've got umbrella holders with keys in them. That's crazy. What don't they have?
I want grapes.
Alright, go. I come here and take a video of this 100 yen for any of these drinks. That's, was it $1.33?
$1.35.
$1.35 in Australian bucks. You get a can the size of my hand.
I love how the crows here are actually fully friendly.
Look at it. They just all want food. Waddle.
There's 3 of them. There's massive.
Imagine they start eating the duck. Okay, throw them.
Your fishing rod out, Mum?
Yeah, still won't catch it.
It's massive. Can you imagine eating that? Oh, yum. Hey. That is squid. And this is scallop with soy sauce. Oh yeah, that's really good.
Alright, so today for brunch,
Yeah,
having, what's that?
the cream croquette.
A what?
Cream croquette.
Whatever she just said. And what's that?
Chicken. Fried chicken.
She's having iced coffee. And I'm having orange juice. My food is somewhere. I shall be waiting. And here is mine. Where'd you get the chili from here? So my extras are garlic in oil, chili oil thingy, and some garlic. And Viv is back to getting the balls again. She was like, where did we get the balls last time? It was raining. And it was right here. Now what does she want? No one knows. Look how happy she is. All those balls in her mouth. So I got this for free at a 7-Eleven. I have a feeling it's like lemonade or some sort of water because it's clear. What'd you say it is?
Raspberry, like flavored water.
Maybe. Of course, gotta get me a beer and some green tea too.
And then you taste it in beef flavored water.
Beef flavored water.
No.
Anyways, I got some snacks again. Salmon and wasabi mayonnaise and spicy cod roe. Yeah. Peace out. Hi, where you
I'm
going?
gonna get my nails done in Harajuku. I'll see you in like 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah.
How long does this take?
Well, my appointment's at 4:30.
Yeah, that's an hour.
Yes, and they're probably gonna take like an hour and a half, 2 hours to get my nails done. And then
How much are these nails? See you, bye. Yummy.
Arigato. Yum.
都記得揸。